Hi, my name is Mana Mathogizo. I came here to audition for acting. I have been in this industry at the age of 12, and by that time I was in a primary level. Then I took it to secondary level, then out of school. I've been in the theater industry. I worked with different groups here in Botswana, and I think I have it. I have it, meaning I have worked with so many people. I love acting because it connects me with so many people. I get to interact with people from different personalities, and I love acting. I really love acting. What I'm going to do, it's just a piece that I created myself. Like any other relationship, it just started so well. We were head over heels. And I never thought someday it's going to be the way it is. And it just happened because of a phone call, just a phone call. I didn't even thought that a phone call will destroy what I have. I received a phone call from my friend. And my boyfriend told me that I'm cheating. Well, he was always saying that, but I never thought it can affect what we had. But it did. That phone call, he got so angry that I didn't even know how to say it. He didn't even want to hear what I am saying. He didn't want to hear my explanations. I had to explain it to him. But no. It didn't work for me. He got so angry. He even threatened to kill me. I didn't know who to turn to, but I had to go to the police. I told them the whole story, and the police did help me so much. They got to control him. They got to cool his temper. But yes, I'm surviving, and it's just because of the police.